Pond area is just about done. Just a little bit of packing here. Maybe it's hard to see because it's so bright. That's what's left of the swamp. So eventually the pond drains down to here. As I say, it's been a fight. Right here, just under the water, I got a little 5-inch pipe that takes it across the pipeline and then back into that area back there. That's behind the cabin. You can just see the cabin there. So I started digging a little creek on this side, which is just rugged land. There's that stump. So a couple days ago I was stuck in between this tree with the roots and the stump, and I blew my track off twice. Bugger. Like within 15 minutes on that same stump. There's the pond over on that side. It comes across the cut line. As I say, I just started working on this little creek here.